Hey, what's up, everybody? This is JJ Burden. It is Cleanse Day Wednesday, day 3 of our 11-day super shred. So the first question is, what's your score? What's your score? You saw yesterday's post, 1 to 10. How did you do the day before? All right, so it is a Nutritional Cleanse Day, also known as intermittent fasting. Love these days because these are some opportunities to do some serious fat burning. And I am a believer that success is intentional. It's planned out. And what's worked for me, the years of doing this, is checking the night before, okay, what products do I have? What Isagenix approved Cleanse Day products do I have? And I have most of them right here, and I'm gonna briefly talk about them. But here's 2 quick tips, especially for your new ones. Make sure you have the Cleanse Day planner. Make sure you have this so you know what to take and when to take it. Now, if you don't have it, check with your sponsor. You can search on this page. It's probably somewhere. Also, make sure there's a copy in the comment feed. The second thing you need is the Cleanse Day Tracker. This highlights all, again, the Isagenix approved snacks. And all the snacks are on a point system or credit because you want to stay within a certain caloric range during the week with your snack. During the day with your snacks. Because we're taking your calories all the way down for this day, but we don't want to blow it by consuming something that's going to knock us off course. So this really does help. So let me just show you a couple things. I have most of the products here. So these are the go-to products, the Cleanse Day go-to products. You got Cleanse for Life here in the canister. I got the peach mango. I also have the natural berry. So there'll be 2 of these is what I would do for my cleanse. And then if I'm doing the canister, here at the bottom, it's just going to be 2 scoops, 4 ounces of water. So I'm going to be doing that 4 times a day. Tells you what to do, remember. And then, of course, I have the Ionic Supreme, tells you when to take that, Natural Accelerator, and then Isoflush you're taking at night. So these are kind of the main parts of the system. Now the snacks are key, and I have them set up according to credit. Water, get your water. I do 88 ounces minimum, that's half my body weight. So I'll drink this probably 5 times a day. 0 credits along with the Isagenix coffee. 0 credits, love that. Now moving to credit 1, we have BIA. If you haven't started taking the BIA, you're totally missing out. It's only 10 calories. And then you got Amp Hydrate, you can put in your water, these 1 credit. Moving to 2, you got E-Shot, fruits, greens, collagen bone broth, good product as well. And then the snacks, and then everybody's favorite, Icy Delights. Gotta have these. We got a saying in our company, friends don't let friends cleanse without Icy Delights. This is definitely a go-to product. So these are worth 2 points. And here's the thing. Back when I first joined, we only had these 2 were our options for snacks. And even before that, it was just the snack tablets. So it's so nice that Isagenix has given us more variety and made this more fun and really a lot easier too. And we even have credit 3. We have the 3s, 3 points over here. Natural oat bakes, you got whey thins, and you got the new little go-to products, the snack bites. So these are 3. So think about that. Again, with the tracker, you can stay within 10 credits and below. So you have to choose wisely what you're going to take and when you're going to take it. Again, just to review, Cleanse for Life 4 times a day. And in between the Cleanse for Life, about every 2 hours, you're doing one of the snack options or 2. You decide what that is. And what's helped me is I got my timer going. I make sure that every 2 hours that timer's going off, so I make sure I'm getting my snacks because, again, because of the low caloric intake on this day, the snack options are so important because it's really going to hold your appetite in between those nutritional cleanses. Oh, last thing is this, because everybody asks this, do you work out on cleanse days? That is up to you. Everybody is different. I typically like to work out on the first day. If I'm doing a 2-day deep cleanse like we're doing, I like to work out the first day, but I will not do a crazy intense workout. Because when you do that, your body is craving protein after your workouts. You need the carbs, obviously, for the energy going into your workout, and we're not doing that today. So I'll do something lower impact. And then tomorrow, I might do the same thing, or I'll use it as a rest day. But what you do, that's up to you. Just stick with the program. If you got any questions, watch this video a couple times or just reach out to your sponsor or whoever invited you to this page. Here we go. Nothing to it but to do it. Let's go.